In this video, we'll show you how to manage your Institute profile in just a few simple steps. To start, head over to the Settings menu. Here, you'll find the option to manage your Institute profile. Now you can set your Institute logo and cover photo to reflect your brand. Simply click on the Upload button to add or change your logo and cover photo. If you ever need to remove them, just hit the Delete button. But wait, there's more. You can also add or update your profile photo. Just click on the Upload button, choose your photo, and you're all set. And if you want to remove it, simply hit the Delete button. That's it. Your Institute profile is now complete and ready to shine.
Roombr.